How to improve Snapchat camera quality. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, we will see if there are any settings to be made in our Snapchat account. So first, go to your profile icon, then go to settings. Now scroll down and then see if you have any camera setting options. Here, as you can see, there is nothing related to camera quality settings. So what you will have to do is directly change the quality of your phone's default camera. To do so, simply go to camera settings, go to change system settings and then allow the permission. After that, open your camera, then go to settings. Now, toggle this high efficiency picture on. Scroll down and then make auto SDR and then change the camera settings to the best option available. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.